Good morning again. Welcome to math. And hey, were you as excited as I was when we started skip counting by twos yesterday? Well, let's practice. That's a new skill. We need to practice those new skills. So follow along with me, okay? We're not going to read all of the 1 through 10. We're only going to skip count by twos. So like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We did every other one. So let's skip count by twos one more time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. See, that's a way that you can practice by yourself. If skip counting is a little bit strange for you still, go ahead and write it down and just put a circle around every other number. And hey, that's skip counting by twos. It makes it very easy. Very, very easy. Okay, now we're going to take a look at a much larger number. In fact, let's turn the camera so that you can see my work table here. There you go. And yes, this is the 100 chart again. There, that looks pretty good for you to see. How's that? Okay, so here I have my 100, I have some 10s, and I have some 1s. Let's get this game started. Okay, so we're gonna start with 100, 3 10s, and 1 1. What number is this? What number is this? Did you say 131? Then you're absolutely correct. 131. Okay, good. So I'm going to write another number and let's see if we can put that number in our display. So this number, how would I show 135? How many hundreds do I need? Well, I need 100, right? 135. And then how many 10s do I need? 135. So I need 3 10s, right? And then how many 1s do I need? 135. Oh, so I don't quite have enough out here. That's okay. I can get some more. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is how I would show this number. 135. 135. Excellent. Okay, so how many 10s did I put? How many hundreds did I put again? 1. See? How many 10s did I put? 3. See? That's a 100. 100. 3 10s. How many 1s did I put? 5. And there they are right there. 100. 3 10s. And 5 1s. Okay, we're doing this so well. I think we can keep going. So now I'm going to increase. Okay, I put 4 more. So actually, let me see, I have too many here. I'm going to put 3 more. What is the number that I showed right here? What is this number? Well, let's say it together. 130, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 138. Okay, and how would I write that? Well, 138. 138. That's what we have here. Good. And now I'm going to put another number, see if we can work this number together. 140. How could I show 140? How many hundreds do I need? 1, right? How many 10s do I need? I don't have enough here. 4, right? And how many 1s do I need for 140? 0, right? I don't need any ones because it's 0. So this is the number 140. 140. Bravo. Were you with me on that? Good. Excellent. Okay then. So now we've practiced putting numbers together, and you could do the same thing at home. You can have somebody in your family write a number, and you can make this out of paper. It's really easy, or plastic or anything else, and you could practice putting the numbers together to match. This is really getting you ready for first grade, so I'd love to hear that you're practicing that new skill. A little bit every day, and it will seem like easy peasy in a very short time. Okay, now I have something else to show you. I'm going to cover the table real quick because you know me and accidents. I do like to spill stuff. So let me just get a little cover on here because it's about to get a little bit wet. And I brought some containers. Yes, and I brought water. Okay, so which container holds 1 liter? This one. It actually holds a little bit more, but up to here is about 1 liter. That's 1 liter. And does the gallon container hold more or less than 1 liter? Well, obviously this holds more. So the gallon container holds more than the liter. Good. Does the measuring cup hold more or less than 1 liter? We think it's less, right? Well, how can we prove it? Okay, let's pour some of this water. See if we can pour all of this water in here. Uh-oh, better stop, right? So which one holds more? Clearly the liter container holds more because I had to stop. This is too small. This one has greater capacity. Good. And I didn't make an accident. I'm so proud. Give the teacher a hand clap. Yay. Okay. So that's just a little illustration of volume and capacity to understand how much containers hold and how they're different from each other. Okay, moving right along. Now, let's bring back our board, and we'll just have to get rid of those numbers that we wrote on it. And I wanted to ask you, how many of you have gone to county fairs? We talked about it yesterday. And remember that at the county fair, there's goodies to eat, like popcorn and homemade pies, sometimes fresh baked bread and special cheese. I get hungry just thinking of county fairs. Have you been to a county fair? What did you eat and what was your favorite? Ooh, I love county fairs because everybody brings out their best, their best, their best. Okay, so we're going to do a little bit of word problem and solving it. Let's come back down. I have the board ready for you. There we go. So here's a word problem, and we're going to draw pictures to solve the word problem. Cotter and his brother Caden are at the country fair. At the fair, they see lots of goodies to eat. Cotter sees a candied apple that costs 5 cents and a cookie that costs 2 cents. How much will the apple and the cookie cost together? So let's draw circles to represent the number of pennies that the candied apple costs and the cookie costs. And then we'll count the pictures to find out how much the candied apple and the cookie cost together. Okay, so what did we say was the candied apple? 5 cents. Okay, and then what did we say was the cookie? 2 more. Okay, here it comes. Now, tell me, how much will Cotter's cookies and apple cost together? The goodies will cost 7 cents, right? We can just count this up. That's 7 cents. Okay, so let's write that as a full number sentence. You'll remember that we need to keep the unit, in this case the cent sign, in each part of the problem to remember what it is that we're adding up. Okay, what are the add-ins in this number sentence? Right, they are 5 and the 2 because the add-ins are what we're adding up. And what is the sum? The sum is the answer. Okay, now Caden wants to purchase a caramel apple and some cotton candy. The caramel apple costs 5 cents and the cotton candy costs 5 cents. How much will the apple and the cotton candy cost together? Well, we know what to do. So here's the first one, the caramel apple, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might make it a little bit smaller so they all fit in. And then how much was the cotton candy? Also 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all together, did you add that up in your head yet? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All together is 10, right? Okay, so let's write that as a number sentence. 5 what? 5 cents plus 5 cents equals 10 cents. Tell me if this looks good to you. Isn't that what we just did, right? The candied apple plus the cotton candy, 5 cents plus 5 cents equals 10 cents. Okay, good. So we could also represent the same story, not in horizontal, but rather in vertical form. So let's clean up this board and see if we can get this in a vertical format. Okay, so I'll go this way. You following? All right, so 5 cents. Hey, I can show that with money. 5 cents plus how much? 2 cents. Good. 5 cents plus 2 cents equals, and all together is, oh, when I write upside down, it's not always perfect. I can read upside down easily, but writing upside down is quite the challenge. You should try it sometime. Okay. So 5 cents plus 2 cents equals 7 cents. Okay. Now let's take a look at representing this with some cards. We did that so well. And again, you can do this yourself at home. Just make yourself some cards and then you can play all kinds of games. Remember these cards? These are from our kindergarten. I brought them home with me for virtual school. So let me give you more space here and then set it up. 5 plus 2, hey look, equals 7. Whoa, that's a little hard to see. Okay, so 5 plus 2 equals 7. And you can play this same game with other numbers. Please do practice it yourself. Thank you.